I'm Amy Gebrian with Lennox, and I'm here at IBS 2026 here in Orlando, Florida, and I'd like to talk to you about our latest side discharge product, heat pump that we're bringing to the market. It's our 15 SEER2 variable capacity heat pump that's really great for the entry level because it's offered in many heat pump tonnages, including 1.5 up to 5 tons. So it's more like an entry level where you also get a lot of the benefits of a variable speed. So you have very high efficiency for an entry level up to 16 SEER2, and you have HSPF up to 8.5. So it's great for that. It's also good for small areas and smaller yards. It can fit in tighter spaces. You can fit this up to 4 inches away from the house, so it can really sit up close to the house. But it's whisper quiet for an entry level. It's down to in the 60 dB range at the lowest levels. So it really is comfortable to have next to your house as well. But we're really excited to have it. It's a sister product to our 18 SEER product. So we're getting a tiered approach and available for many applications and value points for our customers. So we're excited to have this coming out in the next month or so.